Recording in progress.
Hey guys, good morning. Morning, ma. Sharing my screen. Please confirm the chat. Am I audible to you? Online students. Tomorrow you have exam, huh? Exam day, na? So, tomorrow you have exam. Your question paper will be uploaded by 9 a.m. Tomorrow no class, maximum. Will update by evening, okay? Class chahiye, nahi chahiye? How many don't want? Raise your hands. Don't want. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you want or don't want? Hmm? Online class, huh? You need class. Don't want. Hmm. What you will do if class is not there? Generally, what is your plannings? More sleep, huh? More sleep only, na? Huh? What you will do? Pending works, 9 o'clock, huh? 9 o'clock pending works, huh? More, more study. అబద్ధాలు చెప్పినా అతికినట్టు ఉండాలి. You'll sleep more, I know. You'll wake up at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and then you'll go to some dosha point. You'll eat some dosha, and then you'll come again sleep, na? That only you'll do, na, generally? Aja, aja, jaldi. I'm waiting for you only. I need to go to some place. If that person is not available, then class is there. If person is available, then no class. आप pray करो बावन को person should be available, sir. Person should be available. Tell me, what is the empirical rule? What is the empirical rule? Are why you are opening your pages? Huh? 68, 95, 99. Chalo. We'll open some new topic today. What we covered so far is not this now. Normal distribution, this is. And here only Chebyshev. Not this, not normal. No? This is empirical rule, no? X1 empirical rule and Chebyshev. Chebyshev inequality. Yeah. So 33. What have you done now? 33? Empirical rule, direct? Empirical rule. Empirical rule. 68 percentage, 95 percentage, 99.7 percentage. And then what more next? Chebyshev inequality. Chebyshev inequality. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by k power square. So statistic session number statistics 7 covariance and correlation. Covariance and correlation. Covariance and correlation. Yeah, noted it, ma. Suppose variance formula, variance. I'll take from this old notebook now. Variance. Look at the board, my here. Generally, variance formula we already know. Tell me the variance formula first. 1 by summation xi minus x bar whole square. Yeah, variance equal to generally summation of xi minus x bar whole square ma xi minus x bar whole square, that is equal to 1 by n. Generally variance will tell about how data is varying. How data is varying. Suppose an age is there, age distribution is there. The age is varying from like this here to here. Age is varying like this here to here. From here suppose 2 years age to suppose 80 years age. Now how that age is varying means how many people are there from suppose 3 to 10 years. How many people are there 3 to 15 years. How many people are there 15 to 20 years. That is histogram, na? That means how data is varying. In Middle East more is there means suppose you see here different populations. In India so many young people will be there, na, generally. So this is a age distribution. Suppose you take the Japan. In Japan, people are old, become old people are very low. Yes. Suppose you have 2 years to 80 years. What Indian statistics saying that in India, young people are more. Means your data distribution coming like this, is going up like this, going up like this, and it is coming like this. Then, and it is very less people are going like this. This is India ka age distribution. What it's saying that suppose here, suppose 15 years is there. Here 15 years is there. And here suppose 40 years is there. So 15 to 40 years, the more people are there. More people are there. That is the meaning, right? So 15 years to 40 years, the people are more, highest is there. So you take the Japan. Japan, what happened? The people are, young people are very less, very less. And here old people are very high. So old people are very high in the Japan. So it is going like this and it is going like this. So what it is saying that, so more than 60 years, people are very high in that distribution. So this is the Japan country ka age distribution and this is India country ka age distribution. Now onwards you need to understand that if any data, how the distribution look like, what is the exact meaning of the distribution. Maybe that is a poverty distribution, income distribution, age distribution, whatever it is. That is. So this is dealing about the one variable itself. Suppose imagine that there are two variables are there. So now right here variance, right ma, variance, will explain how a data is varying. How a data is varying. Consider an age column, age data of India. In India, different age group people will be there. Age group people will be there. Then if you want how age in India is varying can be explained by variance. Explained by variance. There is a situation, there is a situation we want to find out find out how an age is related to income of age related to income. That means we are comparing how many variables here? Two variables. How an age is varying is a separate thing. How an age is impacting the income is separate thing. Suppose 20 years, you might be earn 1 lakh. 30 years, you might be earn 2 lakh. As age grows, your income is growth means you are good. As age grows, your income is reducing means khatam jindagi. Like that, na? So how an age is impacting the income? So here the question you can arise that how an age is impacting the income. How an age is impacting the income. So here Python practice and sleep. Wow. Pakka you will not study. You will do something other else. I know. What is the new movies are releasing in this week? What are the new movies? No new movies, huh? Telugu? No Telugu new movies? Bharatiyuda? Kamal Haasan? It is not next week. This week only. Today only. Ticket booked, huh? My last movie is Donkey. Where it is released? December. Now it is July. 7 months. No movie. No theater. No time. So here we are comparing two columns. For that we have two methods. One is covariance. Another one is the correlation. Covariance and correlation. Co means two ma. Colleague, co-star. Nothing but what? Whenever you want to introduce anyone, what you'll say? Colleague, na? How can you introduce your heroine? Co-star, na? Co means what? Two. Co means two. Which means we are comparing age and income together. That's why it is called covariance. If you are working on single variable, that is called variance. We are working on single variable is called variance. If you are working on two variables, means that is called what? Covariance. Right here, bullet one. If we working, now put side in covariance. Covariance. if we are working on single variable is called as variance. If we work on two variables, if we work on two variables, then we will use covariance concept. Then we will use covariance concept. Covariance concept. Ago. You came early only, na? Where you went? He's waiting for you. What a bromance, huh? If you work on two variables, then we will use covariance concept. Now look at the board. Look at the board. Summation xi minus x bar whole square. This is like a square, ma. Can I write a square is equal to a into a? Right. Otherwise, give me your math teacher number. Variance of x. So now I'm writing here summation of xi minus x bar into a I'm writing a into a. Xi minus x bar a into a done. Okay, na? Now I want to replace x with y. One x with y. I will keep this xi with x bar only, but second xi I want to write with y. So yi minus y bar. So here only single variable, that is called variance. Here how many variables now? Two variable. That's nothing but a now covariance. This is called covariance formula. Covariance formula also derived from where? Variance formula. So what is the formula? Tell me. Summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. Simple. Just divide into a into a. Note down that formulas now. Note down the formula. Variance. First formula, write it like this exactly. Online people following, Amma. Variance. Easy only, ma. Easy. Variance of x, a into a. So it is generally we can write two variables are there. We can write covariance of x comma x. Now x is replaced with y, then it become y. That's all. Arshini, Ishpanga, Swapna, Ashtosh, Preeti, Shubham, Sutilaya, Sainath. No, Shubham, I haven't watched Kalki. Sarfira, Akshay Kumar. वो डबिंग मूवी ना, वो मूवी मेरे को मालूम है ऑलरेडी. That is which movie? Surya movie. 1 rupee na travel air Deccan. N will be sum of observations. Data will be always only one observation, na Sampath? Sampath has very good question, but little confusion question. That is for his. Imagine the data. Data may be what happened? Number of columns and number of rows. The data will be look like this. Suppose I am opening here one data set. Look at the board here. So the visa data set is there. So salary data set you le lo. Now years of experience you are working with salary. So pakka what? Covariance. Now number of observation be same only na always. How many observations? 30 only. So there no question number of observation will different. Because data will be always what? Number of rows and number of columns always same. So if you one column has the 40 rows, second column also obviously what? 40 rows only. Okay, Nama? Not on this. Without seeing, you can write it na, simple derivation only. Done, na? Here two x are there, ma. That's why we are writing x comma x. Here x is y is there. That's why we are writing x comma y. And tomorrow three columns are there. Then what will happen? So with x comma y comma z kind of things like that. It's keep on going. Now we'll do simple calculation, mathematical calculation, how to calculate the covariance. Okay. We'll take one some data set. Age and income. I'm taking that. Age and income, ma. Controller. Age and income will take 20, 25, 30. Le lo. Data le lo. Problem. Age and income. Age, income. Age, income data set, ma. Age. Age, income. Age is equal to, I'm taking from 20 to 50 years. 20 here, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, na? Now income le lo. Income. 2000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 25,000, 25,000, and 30,000, 30,000. Not on it. Not on it. 35. You only to do, not me. 40,000, 40,000, 45,000, and 50,000. Now calculate the covariance. The question is calculate the covariance. Calculate the covariance. This is suppose x variable. This suppose y variable. First note on the question, then we'll discuss. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Your age is increasing, your salary also increasing, but not in the good way. Your phone number should be your salary. That much you need to earn in the future. Young guys only, na? Just 20, 21 years only have. Young guys only have. My age is more than 30. I don't have an option. You can do, na? Your phone number should be your salary. Target for that. At least 8 digits, 9 digits you can reach, na? Your phone number should be your salary. Target for that. I should have seen one quotation, yes. If you don't run, you just walk. If you're not able to walk, just crawl. But keep on going. Don't stop. That is. If you're not able to run, just walk it. If you're not able to walk, crawl it. But don't sit idle. Okay. We don't want no use of idle candidates. Tell me here, xi nothing but what? Xi. Observation. First observation, second observation, third observation. What you need to calculate first? Mean. Next, what you have to calculate? Subtraction. Next, what you have to do? Multiplication. Then what you have to do? Summation. How many steps are involved? Tell me. First, what you have to calculate? Mean. Next, what you have to do? Subtraction from each point. Next, multiply both. Again, summation. So you need to write first this. So next, open one more table. I need to do, you calculate x bar here. Calculate x bar first. Calculate x bar here. So x bar will come and calculate y bar also. Calculate y bar also. Calculate y bar also. Simple mathematics. Calculate y bar. And then what you need to do? xi minus x bar calculate karo. xi minus x bar calculate karo. Open one more column. Now yi minus y bar karo. yi minus y bar karo. Then what you need to do? You need to multiply both. Multiply these two values. This here value, this value, multiply it. Multiply it. Now take one more column. I'm multiplying both. xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. yi minus y bar. You need to multiply that. That's all. Then again summation karo. Add all the values. Okay, last summation karo. What is the summation? This value. And then finally divided by total number of values. That's it. Calculate this. First x bar karo. Do it fast. I'm coming. I'm writing all the steps. Calculate the mean and income first. Understood, online people, everyone? What do you need to do? First to calculate the mean. I already written the steps. Do it fast. Last divided by n. Done? Mrityunjaya? How much? 1 lakh, huh? Very good, very good. Hi, Jay Jeriwala. I'm good. How are you? Do it, ma. Do it. It will done by Python only. But you know, right? Our classroom. 1 lakh. Very good. They're good mathematicians also. 80,000. Huh? It's okay. Procedure is important because anyhow Python will take care. No, 1 lakh rows will be there. We can't do now. 1 lakh rows. Small thing we need to learn. Big thing we need to visualize. That is the class practice always. Because data science is very, very big. Excel also. You done in Excel. That's why I like lazy fellows. Lazy persons will do. You done notebook and Excel. Both. You know Excel. Do it, ma. Do it. Do it. Don't sit idle. Sitting idle in the classroom is crime. Using Excel is crime. Using ChatGPT is crime. Okay. Don't use that. Avoid all the things. Only your pen and paper, your mind. That's all. Then only logics will be improvised. You'll able to talk in an interview. Now, if you by heart the formula is different thing. If you do this small problem is different thing. Now you'll never forget about covariance. So by heart the formula, you might be forget the covariance thing. So this is the answer. Check it. Correct, huh? Shubhendu? Mrityunjay? क्या हुआ developers? Correct, huh? Done, huh? Really? Pakka. Tarun? చేసినా You paid today only fee. Completed. Complete your pending fees, ma. They'll remove the access. So installment is there. Huh? So how much you can pay in the installment? 9,000 and half of any negotiable? Negotiation is there. Negotiation. No negotiation. One time? One acha. Payment all 1,000 less. Huh? I think you can say like pharma background, blah 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 blah, like that, like that. You can manage, no? You can convince them. What you do now? Generally, you need to do like this. I can't say like. Nowadays, so many things I can't talk publicly. Chalo. For this, the positive value represents. Noted, answer? Note on it. We cannot hear your golden advice. Secret, ma, secret. That only Shubham will do that. స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు మా మేనేజర్ ఇంకా. No donate, man, no donate. Nowadays, I can't avoid my manager. He identified, I'm taking the trainings. Before that, I generally avoid it like that. Whatever he message. Now, if I avoid, he will get again doubt. That is. The conclusion is from here is, the conclusion is positive value indicates that there is a positive relation. There is a positive relation between age and income. That's the conclusion. Negative value indicates negative relation, like decreasing, increasing. But how much relation, we don't know. You and we both are friends. How much? Are we talking every day? Are we meeting every day? Are we going to bar or pub? That much relation, or just high-by relation? So positive matlab positive only. But the relation percentage will be vary, na? That we are not able to identify. That is the drawback of covariance. We can able to say just how much, whether it is a positive or negative relation, but we are not able to say how much is the positive relation. Drawback likho. Drawback. We can able to say whether the features means input column. Feature means the features are columns. Features are columns are positively related, or negative related, or negatively related, but we cannot say how much they are related. The number we can't provide. Okay, Nama, clear, right, everyone? Please confirm the chat. Online students. 10 less, I will add extra 0. Next, covariance matrix. Put siding covariance matrix. Covariance matrix. Covariance matrix. Covariance matrix. Ma. There are two variables are there, na? You can call it variables, ma. You can call it features, ma. Okay. You can call it, columns. You can call it input variables, input data, input variables. Some people call it as input variables. Some people call as predictors. These are different names. Predictors. Some people will call it as dependent independent variables. Dependent independent variables. Independent variables. Independent variables. Same only, but different analysis. Different names. Different textbooks. Different names. Variables, features, columns, input variables, predictors, independent variables, dependent variables, whatever it is. That is. So suppose here there are two columns are there. There are two columns are there. One is age column and second one is income column. How many combinations possible? How many combinations? How many combinations possible? It is a kind of there is a 0 and 1 is there. How many combinations are possible? 0 and 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 1 and 1. The AND get OR get kind of thing. Here also age and income is there. How many combinations are possible? 4 combination. Age is related with income. Income is related with age. Age itself age. Income itself income. 4 combinations are possible. That is how age is varying with respect to income. How income is varying with respect to age. How an income is varying itself. How an age is varying itself. 4 combination possible. Okay, Najed? Why dull? आज फ्राइडे ना, नमाज चाहेगा? किधर है? जरूर. How age is varying with respect to income? How income is varying with respect to age? How an income is varying itself? How an age is varying itself? That we can represent by using matrix. Let's see how we'll represent. Note on that first. Yes, 2 power n combinations. Look at the board, ma. So this is one thing, ma. This is the one thing, matrix. So here age is there, ma. Here income is there. Here age is there, here income is there. Here also age is there and here also income is there. Okay, na? Now first one is age to age. Age to age, ma. This is age A. Age to age. This is age to income. Okay, na, ma? Online people following. And this is income to age. Income to age. And this is income to income. Income to income. Income to income. So, both are same. Variants are covariants. Variants are covariants. Both are same, na? Both are same variable only, na? So, what will happen? Variance only will happen. Data is varying with itself, na? Xi minus x bar whole square only. Means xi minus x bar into xi minus x bar only, na? Both are same, nothing but what happen? Variance. Both are different, nothing but what? Covariance. We told, na? This is called covariance. This is first one is called variance. Co-star. It is called variance. It is what happened? Covariance. It is what happened? Covariance. It is what happened? Variance. This is called covariance matrix. This is called covariance matrix. Suppose 3 are there. How many combinations will come? 9. Shall we do 3 now? First note down this one. First note down this. Easy only, ma. Easy only. That is. Implement for 3. Age, income, education. Suppose age, income, education. Age, income, education, ma. Age is there, income is there, education is there. 9 will come, ma. Age, income, education. Age, income, education. Variance or covariance? Variance. Here variance, here variance, here variance. क्या रे नाम क्या? Diagonal, diagonal. Trace of matrix also, na? Trace. Not trace, huh? Trace of matrix also, na? Only diagonal, huh? Diagonal, everyone knows that is. This is also diagonal, na? If I write like this. Everything, two diagonals are there, na then? This is called trace of matrix. Trace of matrix. Arey baap re. Very good. Trace of matrix. क्या लिखा इधर? Trace of matrix. It's called. Remember that small. Suppose interior some, interior like some crack is there. He will ask that kind of questions. Tell me what is the diagonal? Like that. At least you need to say, no? Like that. Trace of matrix. Ab bolo, this is what? Covariance. Covariance are between whom and whom? I and A and I. A and I. A and I. This is also covariance. Covariance. ये क्या रे? हाँ? ये क्या? It is going like this. It is coming like this. It is going like this. Look like what? Look like what, re? Triangle, re. Upper triangle. What is called? Upper triangle. Now, here also what will come? Here also covariance. Mathematics fun, ma. Here also covariance. Here also covariance. Here also covariance. Again, this is coming like this. And this is coming like this. This part is what? Lower triangle. So two triangles will be there. One is upper triangle. Another one is the lower triangle. Middle one is what? Trace. Say it again. Above one is upper one. Below one is lower, middle one is what? Trace. And the good thing is, here you are comparing age with income. Here you are comparing income with age. Both are same only, na? How many distance from moon to India? Like Earth. The same distance from Earth to moon only, na? Same value will come. Pakka this value, same will come. Similarly, this value, same will come. And this value also same will come. Any doubts in this? Because you are comparing age with income here. Here income with age only, na? Both are same only. Here what is this? Age with education. Here what is there? Education with age. Both are same only. That's why upper triangle values are exactly same as lower triangle matrix. If you one thing you find out is enough, remaining thing automatically you can blindly write it. That's why we are learning upper triangle, lower triangle. Both are same. Any doubts from online people? Yeah, trace means sum of the principal diagonal elements. Correct. Both are same. You are calculating here age and income, and the same here also what happened? Age and income, both values are same. This value same, and this is same, and this is same. That is clear, Amma? Online people, note on that. Say one more time. Yes, 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 yes. Not you. Upper triangle, lower triangle, and everything. That is. Now put siding. Correlation. Good, good. Correlation. Generally, Pearson correlation we call it. Pearson correlation coefficient. Pearson correlation coefficient. So we already know that variance will provide whether there is a relation is there or not only. There is a relation is exist or not, but it will not give that amount of relation, but it will not provide, sorry, covariance, but it will not provide the amount of relation. Correlation. Now covariance we already know, ma. Covariance will tell about only relation is there or not. But how much relation? It will not give. 1 lakh relation, that is not relation. 2 lakh will come, 3 lakh will come, 1 crore will come. You can't say that. So correlation, what it will give, ma? Correlation will give the amount of relation. How much relation these two have? 60%, 70%, 80%. So that amount it will give. That amount. So what the correlation will give, ma? Amount of relation. Right here. Correlation will provide amount of relation. It will explain how two variable related each other, as well as how much they are related. Correlation will provide the amount of relation, ma. It will explain how two variables are related. Not only that, it will give that how much they are related each other. How much they are related to each other. Now, correlation will denoted with R. correlation denoted by R ma, R varies from -1 to 1 ma, -1 to 1. R varies from -1 to 1, -1 to till 0, not exactly 0 ma. It is indicates negative relationship, 0 indicates no relationship, 0 to 1 indicates positive relationship, positive relationships. 0 to 1 it will vary ma. So correlation, what is the use of correlation ma? It will give that how much they both are related each other. What is the values ranges from? -1 to 1, -1 to 0, negative relation, exactly 0, no relation, 0 to 1, positive relation. Clear ma online people? Why diagonal is variance ma? Variance nothing but itself ma. Variance nothing but itself ma. So here age is, we are working with age only. This position is age and age only ma. Both are same variables na? Jai Jariwala. Both are same. That's why it is called variance. Now here this line, both are what? I and I. So it is called variance. And it is coming E and E. So this is called what? Variance. Two variables nothing but covariance. Single variable nothing but variance ma. Chalo. Now I'll give the formula. Okay. Dharmat. You need to tell me the simplified formula. Who will tell that formula? Definitely will go to 40. Okay. Simplified version of that formula. Okay na? Chalo. Correlation matrix. You already know na? Or you are Googling? Huh? Formula. Or tell me the simplified version of this. That only you already know I am telling. Na? That only I know though. We'll definitely go tea with you. Okay. Tell me that. We'll both together. We need to talk a lot. There's so much work is there na, to do. Tell me, ma, what is that? He already given the answer. Anyone has listened or not? What is the upper one? What is the lower one? Upper one is just now we discussed na? Covariance. Lower one is what? Correlation. Entire formula is correlation. Ma. Lower one now look like how it is. Off is look like how? Off. ऊपर वाला क्या? Covariance. नीचे वाला क्या? That only na form na. Covariance of x comma y by variance of x into variance of y only na. लिखो two formulas. First लिखो covariance of formula लिखो. నేనే చెప్తున్నా మీరు అట్లా అందిస్తున్నారు కదా. Because I'm very kind-hearted person ma. I want to encourage my students. Numerator is this ma. Numerator is this. Denominator is this. Variance of x variance of x and variance of y. Variance of x, variance of y. Can you make it now formula? Mohit, come on fast. Covariant denoted by, I want this formula, exactly. Make it by using these formulas. Online people, first note on this formula. First note on that. At least you said now upper one is the covariance. That's happy. Lower one, na? Huh? X with y. But correlation, na? Co means 2. That only. Upper one is pakka covariance only. Below one is variance of x multiplied with variance of y together. Note on that. This is exactly. R is equal to. Online people following. R is equal to covariance of x comma y. Covariance of x comma y divided by root over na. Root over nothing but कौन है? Root of variance. Standard deviation. Root of variance. Root of variance nothing but what? Standard deviation. So standard deviation sigma x. अम्मा आ गया. Sigma is equal to root over variance na. So sigma x variance of x. Variance of x. Nothing but root over this, na? So finally, the formula is very, very simple formula, ma. You don't need to tell big formula in the interview. Just tell about this. Understand it, ma. Variance of y. This is y. And this is y. Covariance of x comma y by divided by into sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x into sigma y. This is the formula you need to remember, ma. This is called R. Note on it. Easy only. Who said mathematics is tough? Mathematics very easy. Manish, what do you say? You went for Mumbai, no? To meet Rohit Sharma. To congratulate him. That only. Everyone is total class is saying that only. Your girlfriend has called you immediately. That's how you went. Ask her to join our data science class. No. Huh? So you will study and you will explain to her. That only Manish plan. Online. Like that are there. They are enrolled in our class. Like 2 members are there. They are explained to their sisters and brothers. Why 2 fees? Only 1 fee is enough, no? Like that. But that is also you need good dedication. You need to attend every day. You need to explain to them. Responsibility. I never explained to my wife. I explained only one Python. That's all. And she got job. Now she is not at all ready to listen also. if I want to explain on. Once you got job, now you'll never study again. Job is important, especially for girls. One story is yesterday what happened. One girl is married a boy with 30 lakhs dowry. He is 7 years of experience in Tech Mahindra. He got drawing 1 lakh. Now she got pregnant. While seeing her, he got accident. Okay. This girl has done BTech, but no job, nothing. That he done the accident, physiotherapy and operations, 20 lakhs gaya. Now he is not able to do office work also. Now she is not able to do job also. Already 2 kids are there. Now she is working in a teacher in the school for 10,000 rupees. A BTech girl. So life you don't know, unexpected things will happen. So whenever you have age is there, you need to save the money. You need to buy some shares or mutual funds or properties, not for enjoyment. And especially girls, job is pakka required, ma. Okay. We don't know what will happen in the life. So same thing happened. My brother's sister also, she done the 555 marks in the 10th class at the time she has. Okay. She is, her husband is not encouraged her at the time. My wife is usually ask me why I want to job. You are doing very earning good money, no? I say that only. If I am not there, how you will live? If something happened in our life, how you will live? So job is required. You just do time pass, but just have job. If you don't want to work, sit on bench. If you want another company, I will push into another company. But you just attend, you just stand it like that. That's enough. Then life will be awesome. Mein ho jayega. That is. So when you do the job, now you'll get confidence, you'll get to know more how to live, how to behave and everything. That is. And you can handle the things. Now she handle herself on everything. So she will go to vegetable, she will go to shopping complex, she will go to everywhere and she will handling everything. Like how I am doing every time here and office. How I am managing because of my wife only. Hats off to her. That is. So she's always care about me like that. She's managing the home and she's managing the house outside. And we can do the class also. Yes, fine, no problem. That is everything she is managing. That is. You are liking your papa because of you doing the outside work. You are liking mama because she is a housewife. But as you know, my wife is doing both, na? Like that. So that's why she is my backbone. Because I trained her. I trained her. I told my father only one thing. He said, we are seeing the girls for you. Like, what do you want? Like he said that. Then I said that only BTech or degree is enough. That is no job option, whether you job doing or not fine. Not doing also fine. But intermediate, I don't want. I want minimum degree because I can do myself whatever I want to do. Then she done some MCA, got married. And 6 months I observed very, very carefully whether she is able to do or not. Whether she is able to mentally strong or not. Then slowly, slowly I trained. And suddenly one day she got job. Like that. Now, like that I have done. That is. I'm a good coach actually. That is so many my friends, actually girls as friends, they got settled in government jobs, doctors, like blah blah blah. That is. Job is very, very important, ma. Girls, especially. Boys are ugly boys only. Bad boys. They can do anything, boys. Okay. Like that. Boys also very, very important. Yesterday I said that only my wife. Why only boys should work? Why only boys should earn 1 lakh? Girls also can earn 1 lakh, no, per month. We will do kitchen work happily. You can go and earn, no. We will do kitchen work happily. We will watch TV happily. Like that. Imagine that change the situation. 30 years back, if a lady is working outside, is not acceptable. Now, boys are sitting inside at home, girls are doing work outside. The change is reverse. Roles are reversed. That's why encourage your wives, boys especially. Okay. Encourage your wives and your sisters. Women empowerment should start from the male candidates only, not from female. You should push. You should teach your mother everything. You should teach your sisters. That is called women empowerment. Should start from our home only. Always remember that. Chalo, next last one. R is equal to suppose 0.7 between age and income. It will come. Life will give so many chances. No? Life will give so many chances. I'm getting jealous your wife. Can you share your wife's sister number? Jealous. Life will give unexpected turns. No? R is equal to 0.7 means what is the meaning of, tell me now? How can you say? There is 70% positive relation between age and income. And R is equal to minus 0.7. How can you say? Minus 0.7. %70 negative relation. And R is equal to 0, no relation. No relation. There is no relation. There is no relation. Positive relation, negative relation, and no relation. No relation means perpendicular each other, independent each other. We both are not dependent. No relation means independent each other. Independent. Independent each other. Independent, one more term is called perpendicular, 90 degrees. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. One is going x-axis, another going what? Y-axis. Perpendicular each other. Perpendicular is also called what? Orthogonal each other. Perpendicular is nothing but 90 degrees phase shift. 90 degrees phase is shifting. Orthogonality. Orthogonal each other. Orthogonal each other. Orthogonal each other. Independent each other. Perpendicular each other. 90 degrees phase shift. That are terms, okay? That are terms. That are simply a terms. Yeah, thanks, Preeti. Yeah, tell me now, mantra. No relation means what? Independent each other. Independent nothing but what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular nothing but 90 degrees. 90 degrees nothing but, say it one more time. Independent, perpendicular, 90 degrees, orthogonal. Now I'll draw one more time. Last one, ma. Tell me this. Suppose look at the board, ma. It is a covariance matrix, ma. A two variables are doing like this. A covariance matrix, two variables are like this. M on three matrices. Now values are there, ma, like this. 5 -2 -2 3. 5 +2 +2 3. 5 0 0 3. Tell me which is positively related, which is negative related, which is no related. First one is what? Negative related, huh? Negative related. Online people, first one saying the negative related, correct? Huh? Why, ma? It is what? Variance. It is what? Covariance. Second one is what? Positively related. Third one is what? No relation. Clear? Suvendu? All are positive. That only other positive. No? But all are positive. But what do you want to focus? What do you want to focus? -2, na? No, ma. We calculated, na? What is this value? 15 minus 4. Why 15 minus 4? What is matrix formula? No, ma. I'm not saying multiplication. What is generally 4 are there? What will come? Here variance will come, ma. Here what will come? Here what will come? Here what will come? By seeing only matrix, you need to say. Now here 5 is there. Here what is there? Suppose -2 is there. Here what is there? -2 is there. Here what is there? Here some variable is there. Variable 1 and variable 2. Here variable 1 is there, variable 2. Suppose income and age. Now what is this relation? Positive or negative? How can you say? That only I'm saying, na? Why you are adding? You don't need to add this. Okay. One matrix we already know. We already learned, na? This is just now. We already learned, na? This is diagram. This is by seeing the data only you need to able to say which is the negative, which is the positive. By seeing the data only. Now this position what is there? -2. This position what is there? Means negative relation. Clear, online people? Now the diagram also. For negative relation it will be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now for negative relation, decreasing graph. Positive relation, increasing graph. No relation, no graph. Straight line. This is called decreasing. As this is moving, this value is what happened? Decreasing like this. As age is increasing, your salary is what happened? Decreasing. Here starting salary highest here. Next ending here. Here salary, here age. As age is increasing, salary also what happened? Increasing. Now your age is increasing, but salary is almost 5,000 rupees only. Even though you are 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, your salary is what? Same only. But here what happened? Increasing. Here what happened? Decreasing. Decreasing means which relation? Negative relation. Increasing means positive relation. Decreasing means no relation, means no relation at all. So matrix and a diagram. Clear, online people? It is covariance matrix, ma, not correlation. Covariance matrix. This is covariance matrix. Okay, ma? It's just given a glimpse. If anyone is showing the diagram MCQ questions, you need to say which is the which one. MCQ questions. Samjha everyone? So chalo. That's all enough today. Thank you so much. Immediately you need to leave.